I've been using the Rajhi Classic credit card for a few months now, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a practical choice for everyday banking in 2025. The Classic card is Rajhi's entry-level offering, designed for customers seeking a Sharia-compliant credit solution with straightforward features. One of its key benefits is the integration with the Mokafa Rewards program, allowing users to earn points on purchases that can be redeemed at over 100 merchants using just their mobile number. Additionally, the card supports the Tasahil installment program, enabling 0% profit margin installment plans for eligible purchases, which can be a helpful budgeting tool for larger expenses. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. While the card offers essential features, it lacks some of the premium perks found in higher-tier cards, such as airport lounge access or travel insurance. The fee structure is also something to be aware of. While the annual fee is relatively modest, it's important to understand all associated costs, including potential charges for late payments or cash advances. Customer feedback has been mixed, with some users appreciating the card's simplicity and integration with Rajhi's banking services, while others have noted limitations in customer support responsiveness and the clarity of the rewards program. In summary, the Rajhi Classic credit card serves as a solid, no-frills option for those seeking a basic, Sharia-compliant credit card with access to a rewards program and installment plans. It's best suited for individuals who prioritize simplicity and integration with Rajhi's banking ecosystem. If you're considering this card, ensure you review the fee structure and assess whether its features align with your financial needs. I hope this review provided clarity. If it did, please support the channel with a super thanks and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.